Hey, I'm Steve. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to use red gels and a mirror. In this video, we're using 3 lights. So we have a rim light at the top with a red gel, then we have a background light down here with another red gel, and then we have a spotlight look over here, and that's got no gel in it. And then you'll see how it comes out.
Nice.
As you see there, we've got some really cool looks out of the lighting setup. Now gels, they may sound complicated, but they're not really. You just gotta play with them. Just remember to try and use them in the shadows and you get a really cool effect out of them. So tune in next time for another video or come along to my next workshop. See you soon.